do is wonder if you're bending over backwards for someone else. Wonder if you're rolling up a backwards for someone else. Doing things I taught you, getting nasty for someone else. You don't need no one else. You don't need no.
I think what makes this car unique is that it has this unique Italian spirit. It's a car that is easy to use, it's fun to drive, it's an affordable kind of a car. We're in this tradition of an Italian car that is meant to be, part of your life and part of a beautiful lifestyle. This car was actually as we call it, like it's a natural-born Spider. It's not linked to any coupes or any. It's not a derivative of an existing vehicle. So it's this unique car with beautiful proportions. It has a long front hood. It has white tracks. It has a beautiful dash-to-axle ratio, a tight cabin, and a short rear deck. The number one feature, if you want to stay with the proportional aspects and in side view, is the simplicity and the elegance of the lines. We have very fluid horizontal lines. And there's a single styling feature actually on the body side. There's a line that starts on the front fender, kicks up ever so slightly over the door handle, and nicely flows back into the rear end. I'm very happy with the spirit of this car. If I had to pick a favorite angle of the car, I think it would be the front face and the front three-quarter view. I think the face, the look, that concentrated look, that friendliness, that eagerness, the sculpture of the hood, the way the front fender blends into the volume of the car, I think we can be very proud of this as a team. Something similar happens on the rear end, where we reference the vintage Spider, how the graphical elements relate to each other. The rear lamps relate to the license plate in the center, how the fender section has this gull wing shape. What we tried to achieve was to have a balance that is built on the spirit, on the proportion, on the styling details that are referencing the vintage car. But at the same time, we have to carry it forward. So by introducing these unique graphical elements, these 3-sector position lamps and the double C-shaped rear lamps with that little color panel, I think we took it that one step further to take it from a pure retro design, or from a pastiche almost, into something original, into something more contemporary.